Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where my goal is to help you make money online. I upload a new video every single week, so make sure to subscribe not to miss any new opportunities. Today is the last day of the month, so I will show you my personal earnings on Swagbucks once again, like I've been doing every month since last December. However, this will be my last Swagbucks video until at least the end of the year. Swagbucks is a website to make money online by completing offers and surveys. You can also earn by playing games, signing up to websites, and much more. Last month, I mentioned I will play one of Swagbucks' free games every day to earn the maximum amount of points possible, and I will show you which one I've been playing recently to achieve my goal. First of all, I would like to go through Swagbucks' new layout. If you're already familiar with Swagbucks, you will notice that it has changed recently, and it's now a bit easier to find your way around. At the very top, you will see the answer section, which is where you go if you want to complete surveys. Surveys will of course change very frequently. Right now, I can potentially earn 75 plus 74 plus 40 points. 1 point is worth 1 cent. So if I complete all these surveys and qualify, I could earn 189 points or $1.89. On the right, you also have the option to earn a couple points for every 10 questions you answer. In the Discover section, you will see all the different offers that usually pay more than surveys and can sometimes be a bit more fun. Here, for example, you can play this game called Fruit Master on your mobile phone and earn 102 points on Android or 108 points on your iPhone. You will need to complete level 41 on Android or level 40 on iPhone. There are many more offers where you can potentially earn hundreds or even thousands of points. In the games offer, you will see a few more games where you can earn points. However, for some reason, it doesn't include all the games they offer. So make sure you go back to the other section I showed you a few seconds ago to see more game offers. In the sign up section, this would be a website where you would have to sign up for free trials and earn points, or sometimes sign up and purchase a 1 or 2 year plan and earn some cash back. Make sure you read the terms and conditions before signing up to these platforms to make sure how to earn points. In the reward section, this is where you redeem your points for cash or gift cards. In the Swags Text section, you can enter giveaways to potentially earn up to 200,000 points or $2,000. It is a bit like a lottery, so the chance of earning that prize will be quite low. You can also earn 5,000 points or $50 by investing 10 points, and you have one chance out of 1,000. Or you also have this option where you can earn 50 points or 50 cents by giving away 25 points. You're more likely to earn there, but the price is quite low in comparison. And finally, you can also choose to donate your money to charities. To earn up to 10 points per day by playing games, you can now access it directly in the More section and select Play. The game I played constantly every single day for the whole month of April was Alos Revenge. It's a game where you need to click on at least 2 different bricks of the same color to make them disappear, and you need to make sure the bricks never reach the top. Just like the other games they offer to earn money easily, it doesn't matter whether you win or lose, they will credit you 2 points for every 2 games you complete. Here, for example, I just lost and no points were credited, but I will now play again a little bit to show you that the second time you will earn. I fast forwarded the video a bit, and as you can see, I have now earned 2 points. I already played 8 games earlier, so I earned 8 points, and with this one done, I have now earned the maximum amount of points you can earn per day, which is 10 points. In the More section again, and in mobile apps, you can download the Swagbucks apps on your mobile phone. It works on both Android and iPhone. However, I'm not sure if this is available worldwide. I am based in Ireland, and I have the app on my Android phone. I know it also works in the US, but I'm not sure about other countries. If the app is not available in your country, you can also simply access Swagbucks from your browser on your mobile phone. The Swag button is an extension for your browser to earn cashback when making online purchases. Every time you visit some website, you will get a notification like this one in purple. Simply click on it to activate cashback, and once you make a purchase on a specific website, Swagbucks will credit you points. For example, if you go to a website where you can activate the Swag button and purchase $100 worth of items, and the website says you will get 5% of cash back, then Swagbucks will give you 500 points or $5. The Swagger board is another way to earn an extra bonus that I mentioned in a few of my previous videos. This is basically a list of tasks you need to complete to earn up to 300 points. These tasks include visiting a website, completing surveys, your daily goals, etc. The Swag code section is now located here. If you're from the UK or Ireland, you can go to facebook.com/SwagbucksUK and check if there are any codes you can enter on Swagbucks to earn a few points. Here, if I enter Play Bingo, I will earn 3 points today. Simply copy the code, paste it here and hit Redeem Swag Code. 3 points have now been added to my account. To finish this video, I will now go to Activity and select all the different ways I earned this month. In the Answer section from April 1st until April 30th, I earned 334 points, or $3.34. I haven't been very active on Swagbucks this month. I usually earn closer to $10 if you look at my previous monthly earnings. In the bonus section, I earned 149 points, or $1.49, by entering swag codes like I showed you a minute ago, daily points, etc. The play section is where you can earn up to 10 points per day by playing some of the few free games they have on their website, like the one I showed you earlier with the game Alos Revenge. I earned the maximum amount of points this month, which is 300 points, or $3, as I played 10 games every single day for the whole month of April. And in the search section, I earned 9 points, or 9 cents. So the total amount I earned this month was 334 points by completing surveys, plus 149 points with bonuses, plus 300 points playing games, plus 9 points using Swagbucks search engine. That's a total of 792 points, or $7.92. Anyways, that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe if you want to make a little extra income online, as I post a new video every week. Thank you all for watching, and see you soon.